So next, recording your set. Now, how do you record your set? Earlier, I was demonstrating how to play tracks, but what I like to do, so I can maybe either, if I end up loving the set that I did at a show or live on stage or even my home bedroom studio, I want to record a set and then share it with the world. It's very easy to do, and this is what happens when you go to start playing your songs. Well, before you start playing your songs, you can come up here and just hit record, okay? And then I'll start playing my set. Let me just demonstrate real quick. Okay, so quickly just kind of demonstrating how I could record my set. But once you hit record, you can hit stop, and then if you hit tab on your keyboard, you can come over here and you can actually access and see your set being recorded. Okay, so you have to be careful though. One thing that I forgot to do is making sure that I'm back in arrangement view. My set actually technically didn't record, so you need to be careful with this. But actually, no, it did record. I'm sorry. Yes, for a second there, I panicked. I was like, "Woo! I forgot to hit record." No, I did hit record. It recorded it over here. So that's not ideal. But so yes, we all make mistakes. Okay, so I totally screwed that up. This is why it's exciting to record live, guys. Very, very fun to record live because you never know what's going to happen when we're live. Okay, we're not on like a 2-minute delay where I can fix things. But the good lesson here, make sure you start at the beginning. Okay, so this is the arrangement view. This is where you would see your recorded set. So let me just demonstrate this one more time, but do it correctly. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing some comments here. Oh, wow, very different to CDJs. It is different to CDJs, right? Yeah, it is. And by the way, this is not to replace something like CDJs. It's just another way to approach this, okay? Yes, yep, SF Garnish Music School. Shout out SF's Garnish Music School. I like how you can group tracks on deck A and deck B in Ableton and create some very custom sounds. Yes, so SF Garnish Music School is bringing up a very awesome point here. This is only the beginning when it comes to DJing in Ableton Live, and being that there's a very kind of basic setup, the customization never ends, and that's why it's actually really fun to DJ in Ableton Live as well. So I still love DJing on CDJs. I still love DJing on vinyl, definitely old school. I still have a vinyl collection with my Technique 1200s, but it's just a different approach, you know, hybrid digital audio workstation production mixed with DJing. Super fun program. But okay, so let me just demonstrate this one more time and make sure I get this so it plays at the beginning. But it's really easy. Like I said, it's really easy to record in Ableton Live. And if you wanted to record your set, it's simply just start recording, okay? And then start playing your tracks if they actually play. And then let me open up my crossfader here. Like this. So we back again. Like this. Okay. The new thing. Like this. So we back again. Like this. The new thing. Like this. So we back. Like this. So we back. Like this. So we back. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this. Again, just quick little demonstration of mixing these things together. Okay. And then so now when I go back, hit tab to go back to the arrangement, you can see the beginning of my set recorded here, and it will include even the follow actions that I did. And the nice thing is too, everyone, so if you wanted to actually start recording live sets, you can always edit your sets later. Okay, so that's one of the other great things to just recording in Ableton Live and DJing, but also that the fact that it's a digital audio workstation. Whereas sometimes, you know, if you're using some other DJ software programs that don't have that customization of going back and editing your sets, in Ableton, you can do that, okay? So again, if this were a in-person class, or if you were signed up for one of our classes over the internet via Zoom, we would walk through this process a little bit more.